Alright guys, today I'm going to work on the Toyota and fix something, but also add something. Currently, I can't really show it, but only my low beams work. Turn it on high beams. And they do not work. So, I, went through, checked some fuses and stuff, just very rudimentary stuff, and did a quick Google search and realized that these multifunction switches have a lot of issues. So I went ahead and bought me a new multifunction switch, and while I was at it, because this is a base model, it's only got low and high, so I went ahead and upgraded. Here is the factory part number: 84310 35470, and this is for an SR5. It's a brand new multifunction switch, and it's also got intermittent with delay for the wipers. I thought if I was going to need a new switch, I might as well go ahead and upgrade and get the intermittent. So yeah, I've already tested it and it does fix my problem. So if you have a headlight issue where only your low beams work and your high beams don't, you might want to look in and get a headlight switch. You don't have to get a new one, and you don't have to get one with intermittent, but this is an upgrade. So I've kind of already disassembled it, but here it is. There is a screw there, screw there, screw there, screw there. There's a bolt there, 10 millimeter. And then you have to take the hood popper. You have to slide it out of its hole, and then also slide it out of the bracket. After you do that, you have to take your column covers off, which I don't have column covers. The truck didn't come with column covers, but I do currently have column covers, so I bought some column covers. But it looks like there's about a screw here, screw down here, another and then maybe another screw somewhere else. You might have to take this off, I don't know. I haven't put the column cover back on it because I've never installed it. I'm going to wait till I get a steering wheel for it, because I'm going to change steering wheels. But once you take the bottom piece off and the column cover off, there's a screw down here to take the horn button off. Then the horn button should just come off. There's the horn right there. And it looks like you gotta take that off. I don't know exactly what that is, but I'll get back to you when I know the size. I believe this is an 18, but I used a 19. And I'm going to go ahead and put this back on because it's probably, yep. So I'm going to sit here and beat and pull on the steering wheel to get this off. I can't do it with one hand. I have a steering wheel puller. I could have used that, but basically just hit side to side, up and down, and then grab both sides of the steering wheel, yank it side to side, yank it up and down, came right off. Hopefully there's a flat spot. There is not a flat spot. Lovely. So maybe I should have marked it, which I didn't. So note to self, if you're going to take off your steering wheel, mark it so you know where so you know where you need to put it. So now I'm going to come down here, push the push tab, pull it out. I'm going to do that to the other side. And also there's a couple screws here on both sides. Then down here, this is just kind of pushed on, so get through here, kind of push on it. So that's pushed down, pull it out. Now I just come up here and take these screws off. Take these 4 screws off. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the camera down so I can take this off without doing anything crazy with it. Alright, there's one more tab right here. And there it is. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. It's pretty much the exact same. So, if you just want to add intermittent wipers and not add the whole switch, you can just swap out, and I've seen people do it, you can just swap out the wiper stock by coming back here, taking these 3 screws off back here, cutting this zip tie, and then taking this clamp off, and then coming down here and de-pinning all the blue wires that go to the wiper. And you have to de-pin them individually one by one and make sure they get put in the same spot. But and I'm going to take this off because it looks like that swaps over. So, yeah, okay. And this is easy. Do I need to take anything off this? Nope. And then this just comes over here. It literally just bolts on like that. And then you just swap everything over down here. So you just bolt that back down. You take this down here. You snap this on here. So that's all snapped back in. Then you come over here and you do something like like this, some kind of something like that. And then you just plug the new wires in and tighten that down. So I'm going to bolt this back down. Alright, plug the big side into the passenger side of the switch, plug the small one to the small side of the switch. Now everything's all bolted down. I got this screwed back in down here, got that clipped in, got this clipped in over here. So all it does is protect the wire, got that clipped in over there. So now, low beam, high beam, and it works. And also, delay wipers work. Just let it go for a minute. You can also hear the relays and contacts in here clicking. And then you go faster. You go low. You go high. Off. So, yeah. Now I'm going to put my steering wheel back on real quick. So put the steering wheel back on. It was not straight. It was cantered to the side. And it was about right, I assume. This thing is probably going to need an alignment anyway because I put the gearbox in it. Probably should put Loctite on this. But I do want to... I am going to get another steering wheel at some point. Should be good enough. So, yeah. Just need to put this stuff back on. Connect the horn. It's got two little push tabs that go in these. And then the screw going through the bottom. And that's it. That's how you add delay wipers. And also, possibly, fix your headlights stuck on low beam in your 89 to 95 Toyota pickup, and late 80s, early 90s 4Runner that has the same generation as this. And yeah, that's all for this, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.